Project Execution Plan. Project execution is a must-have, the ability for starting project managers. In keeping with a researcher on the College of Baghdad, the execution phase of the project is their most harmful and essentially the most draining on the sources throughout their project life cycle, which is why it must be deliberate and monitored by knowledgeable with a purpose to succeed. Though it's easy when you perceive it, the method of making a project execution plan could be complicated. Discover extra on what project execution is, why it's so necessary, and every little thing else that you must know to create a really profitable project execution plan. Are there totally different execution methods? There are at the very least 6 totally different execution methods in project management. Right, here's what they are and methods to use them. Create group accountability. Select your Northern Star. Visually observe progress. Reward hard work. Determine any knowledge gaps. Create suggestion loops. Who's answerable for project executions? Project managers are answerable for project execution. First, they need to draft a really detailed project execution plan and get buy-in. Then, they have to oversee folks, communication, and progress all through all the sections. Though they're not those doing the duties, project managers should make sure that all of the I's are dotted, and T's are crossed without overstepping. At the end of the day, if a project's execution isn't profitable, it's the project supervisor who should clarify what occurred and why. What are the challenges of project execution? There are 3 overarching challenges to project execution that all project managers face. They're managing folks, facilitating processes, and speaking with everybody concerned. Here's a little extra on what they are and methods to overcome them even when you have zero project execution expertise. The way to create a project execution plan. To create a project execution plan, you must create the copy, design the PDF, and get buy-in from collaborators before finalizing your draft. Project execution plans could be as brief as 1 web page or as long as 175 pages in some examples from energy.gov. However, relying on the complexity of your project and your execution plan, you can possibly anticipate writing down a median of 50-80 pages. Even when you take into account your ideal author, these numbers can really feel daunting. The way to plan your project execution phase with Dewan Project Tech. By now, you've discovered precisely what project execution is, why it's necessary, and methods to do it. As a starting project supervisor, it's necessary to get hands-on expertise wherever it's attainable, particularly in the case of project execution plans. That's the place Dewan Project Tech comes in. And when you have recurring initiatives, you possibly can simply create a time-saving template to make use of for this and future assignments that can be efficient.
Why Dewan Project Tech? Dewan Project Tech ensures timely supply of goods and equipment and also factors in transit and insurance. We can customize as per each client's needs. Finding the right vendor to meet your needs in all commercial and technical fields can be difficult. We work in a professional nature to fulfill the supply on time with regard to the quality factor as per firm norms. We keep confidentiality to maintain our business ethics while dealing with clients. Ensure the manufacturing department gets the supply without delay, taking control of the cost and process execution in line with multiple vendors, evaluating, selecting, and auditing the vendor in accordance with the customer's requirements with various vendors of the same specifications and maintain the quality standards. The 4 R's are essential. The right place, the right quality, the right time, and the right price. We would get the suppliers on board at a genuine price. Contact us at the given below address. Follow on our social media and also share on your social networks. Subscribe our channel.